The players march onto the pitch.
Well, the team are lining up in a full... They've gone for 3-5-2, only 3 players at the back, but they're well placed to win the midfield battle. A careless pass there. Wins the ball. Saliba with a tackle. Here's Dembele. That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. Rudiger. Mo Salah. It's now Saliba. He's got the ball at his feet. Mateus goes for goal. What a goal. The team created that chance and they finished it. This is Haaland. Valverde with the ball. He's speeding ahead. It's Haaland. And the referee gets the game going again. Here's Dembele. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Salah with the dribble. Perfectly executed. Oh, there from Haaland. That's his second goal. An accurate pass. He steps up to steal the ball. Lothar Matthäus. Oh, confident defending. Is this the moment? A short pass from the keeper. He's going to hit it on the volley. Poor effort goes wide. He rose up to win the ball. Some players will be glad. Well, it's 3-0. Surely no chance for a comeback for the losing team. Here's Dembele. He got that all wrong. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. What a chance. And this player's on form. 3 of the best for him. It's just one after the other. With his team, the manager will be ecstatic. So this player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Lothar Matthäus. Surely now. Here's Bastoni. Rudiger. The player's using his pace. Will we see a goal? That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Passed well. Here's Dembele. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. Valverde with the ball. Oh, that's a poor pass. That's good link-up play. Kante. Oh, he did really well there. The ref has to do something here.
There can be no complaints. A straight red. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.